What's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This video is about Sony Xperia XA2 Ultra in 2019. So I got it all set up to get it updates and things and that sort. So I turned it off. So I want to show you guys how it powers on for the first time, but how it just powers on. So no further ado, let's turn this phone on. All right, felt it vibrate. Here goes Sony. All right, let's sit it down, nice and neat. All right, now I'm gonna talk about the specs once more, and tune into the Sony headphone game. Anyway, so while that boosts up, it comes with a 23 megapixel camera on the rear, 16 megapixel front-facing camera with OIS, then a second camera on the front comes with a 120-degree angle with 8 megapixels. All right, so wow, boot up was pretty fast. 6-inch screen, full HD display, 1080p, USB-C, 3600 milliamp battery, Snapdragon 630, micro SD card expansion, and 32 gigs onboard storage, 4 gigs of RAM. It has dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and Android Oreo with December security patch. I know we in January, but hey, at least Samsung is updating their mid-range devices on security patches. Once again, Motorola doesn't even have December security patch, and Samsung S9 does have December security patch, and Nokia. So, hey, now this is what the device looks like. Once you set it all up, get your Google account going and everything else. This is stock, Sony stock Android. You get bloatware, a little bloatware, but hey, if you like it, you like it. I mean, you get the PlayStation app, the lounge, Facebook, you get your contacts app, calendar, email, clock, alarm, settings, and we'll go into that in a minute. And you got built into the Xperia Assistant. So I'm gonna show you how that looks. You got the Google apps right here. All right. So you got the app drawer, the infamous app drawer. All right. And one cool thing I noticed about it is when you swipe down, you get your most recent or recommended. And yes, it does have the Swift keyboard instead of the Google keyboard, which is very interesting move from Sony. And then, of course, you still have your Google Assistant and things in that sort. So, yeah. That's what you have right there. Not too bad. All right, so let's go into the settings. Let's check this out, guys. You have the network, internet, data usage, airplane mode. All right, so it shows you and got hotspot and tethering unlocked. So you should be able to hotspot on Tmobile and At&t if your plan, allows it. Device connection. It has Bluetooth, Cast, mirror your Xperia on your Google Cast, complement TV or device such as Chromecast, screening mirror, keep your device's screen on, NFC, Android Beam, ready to transmit app content via NFC, USB connectivity. So you connect your Xperia to your PCs, printer. All right, that's for your device connection. Your appearance. You got a theme engine. All right, so this is Sony's theme engine built in. All right. Let me see. You got wallpapers. All right, you got your album, you got your live wallpapers, your Google Photos wallpapers, Xperia Home. For grid size, you can change it to whatever grid size you want. Okay, for pane transition, so you could change the different way you want your, home screens to change. So let's apply that. Widgets. Of course, you got plenty of widgets. Android infamous for widgets. All right. shortcuts. Okay, these are all your shortcuts. You can create any shortcuts you want to on this Xperia phone. Okay, so that's pretty much for the appearance, apps and notifications. 49 apps installed, configure notifications. You got app permissions. You got advanced. So you got emergency alerts, default apps, messenger in the phone, special app access. 4 apps can use unrestricted data. So keep that in mind on the Sony phone. You got battery life. So battery level and estimated battery time, 91% right now, 1 day and 4 hours remaining. You got all these different battery options, stamina mode, ultra stamina mode. You got charging battery care, increase the battery lifespan by controlling the charging speed. Now that's something interesting that you don't see in most Android devices. Advanced, you got battery usage, last full charge 5 minutes ago. So display. All right, you got display level, brightness, adaptive. You got sleep mode. You got smart backlight controls. Quality. You got color, gamut, contrast. You got white balance. For viewing, you got font size difference, display size. So you can make it one-handed mode for people with small hands. System icons, screensaver. You got when device is rotated, you got jump to camera. Okay, and it does come with its own native camera button. All right, sound. Now here's where I get interested. A lot of YouTubers aren't talking about the settings. I don't get it. I guess they don't have all the time in the world, but we're gonna make time to discuss the Sony audio. All right, so quality audio settings. For audio settings, you have DSEEHX. Upgrade the quality of compressed music files to near high-res audio quality by restoring high-range sound. This setting is only for wired headphones. All right, so keep that in mind for your headphone jack squad. Clear Audio Plus, optimize sound settings, sound effects, manually adjust a suite of sound enhancement settings, dynamic normalizer, minimize volume differences between songs or videos. All right, so we have all that going on here. Accessory settings, especially showing you wireless playback quality, connect LDA, LDAC device or aptX HD device. So I do have a Sony wireless Bluetooth speaker, so I'll do that in a separate video. We'll discuss all that in a separate video. I'm just giving you a rundown of what's going on in the Sony phone. All right, so for sound, you got ringtone, Sony Xperia ringtone, notification sound. You got default alarm ringtone, advanced sounds and vibrations, dial pad tone, screen lock sounds. I want to hear that. I want to hear the screen lock sound. Touch sounds, vibration on tap. Let's turn that off because that killed battery. All right, so here we are. Storage, guys. Wow, 41% used. That's crazy. So I haven't had an SD card in here yet. So after upgrading it, updating it with the software and December security patch, I have 13.01 gigabytes used out of 32, which it says 40%. So yeah, so this is what you're going to be looking at out the box after you fully update it for the first time. Getting it started. Once again, I got one-handed operation mode, lock screen and security. So you got lock screen and security. Once again, it's showing you security patch December. All right. Users and account. You can check that out yourself. Xperia Assistant, Xperia Actions tips, other smart functions, accessibility, Google system support. Let's check out system. Once again, you got Android 8.0 on deck, Xperia Transform Mobile, Xperia Backup and Restore, the Swift keyboard. Let's see what else. Okay, about phone. Now, this is what's very interesting because this is going to differentiate the bands of LTE and GSM that you're using. So I got the starter guide, and it's showing me that there's two different versions of this phone. One is the H3213, and the other one's the H3223. I have the H3223, which gives you T-Mobile bands all the way up to band 66. But there's no band 71 for those that are concerned about rural areas or living in rural areas. You do not have band 71. And this phone does come with its own FM app, as you can see, FM radio. So it does come with its own FM radio. All right. So it's just saying basically put the headphones in. All right. So there, and not bad, Sony. 98.1. Why 98.1? What about Us by Pink? Okay. So yeah. Shoot, let me go ahead stop it. Power it off. All right. But yeah, so this is what the Sony Xperia XA2A looks like out the box. Let me take the headphones out real quick. So you get free music for life, free music, free podcast, ESPN, radio, all that for free with the built-in app. And of course, you know, I'm going to download other applications like Next Radio and Crackle and stuff like that. I'm going to get into the Sony ecosystem. I told you. All right. So welcome to Xperia. Get to know your phone through the introduction. Select your previous phone. Okay. So let's just say Android. All right. So transfer your stuff, blah, 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 blah. No thanks. Essentials, learn about the latest apps from Sony. All right. Make it yours. Change the theme, wallpaper, sounds. Xperia Assistant. Adapt your phone to your lifestyle. Xperia Assistant gets to know your way of using your Xperia and will occasionally send smart suggestions to you. All right, work with Xperia. Okay, so quickly set up accounts, VPN, and Wi-Fi that you use at work. Another phone you can use at work. Nice. All right, so Xperia services will let you get the most out of your phone. All right, so you just heard a notification come through. All right, okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. This is the rundown. It comes with Amazon apps, as you can see. Facebook apps. What else it comes with? A lot of slew of things. You got Movie Creator. You got AR effect. Now, I know a lot of you all want to see what the cameras look like. So let's just go ahead and open up the cameras real quick, real fast. Check that out. All right. Save location. No, don't want to save location. Switch capturing mode and camera. Swipe the screen to switch to another capturing mode, such as video or manual, and switch between the main and front camera. So that's something you guys want to, take a look at. All right. So let's just try to get it to focus on the box. All right. Let me go ahead and try to throw the headphones on there. Slant it a little bit. All right. Let's focus on that. Okay. All right. And then you can swipe over for video. Okay. So here we go. Let's just record a few seconds of it. All right. Let's try to play it back real quick. Okay. Oh, it gives you a little preview too. That's nice. It gives you a little preview. Check that out. All right. So here's what the pictures looks like. Okay, you want to see selfie? Let's do the selfie. Let's do the selfie mode. Okay, so eye direction. Keep your eyes on front of the camera lens. Okay. So let's see. Let's check out this wide angle thing going on. All right. So wow. Okay. Hand shutter. Turn your palm towards the camera. Self timer will be turned on when you. Oh, okay. Wow. So check this out, guys. Wow. Wild angle. This is so freaking cool. Yo, this is dope. Sony is killing it, man. Look. Hate all you want to. Hate all you want to on Sony, man. They killing it with the features, man. Features, some functionality. 4 gigs of RAM. Once again, 4 gigs of RAM. Snapdragon 630, 6-inch screen. Yeah, we haven't tried the. Let's test out the. Let's test out the sound. Let's try Google like movie trailer or something real quick. But man, this is killing it. Okay, let's see if we can watch a trailer of Blind Spot. I don't know. Okay, it's telling me to install. Where is a trailer at? Okay, we'll find a trailer real quick. Let's see what the Venom trailer looks. Trailer. Let's go. All right, here we go.
Thank you for bringing us collectively to this moment. It is a moment that so many have dreamed of claiming. History starts today.
Okay, let's see how loud it is.
Work for is an evil person.
I don't work for him.
Wow.
My firm works for him. Are you going to behave yourself tomorrow?
I told you I'm going to do my job. I'm a reporter. I follow people that do not want to be followed. What about the allegations that you recruit the most vulnerable for tests that end up killing people?
All right, that's enough. So, but like I said, guys, remember they have sound settings to help improve on the sounds. All you gotta do is go to, sound in the settings, audio settings. Turn those on and see the difference. And remember, you got the headphone jack, you got the wired headphones. So it should be a better improvement. I'll give you guys my full thoughts on the audio and the Sony Xperia on another video. I'll give you my full thoughts on the video experience. And no, I did not get into the whole gaming talks. Once again, those are going to be the main, talks about with this phone, the gaming, the video quality, the media. This is a media phone. So it's not just, it's built for media and multitasking. So you still got your app drawer, you still got your recent app, things in that sort. But yes, this is what it's all about, ladies and gentlemen. This is my overview and first impressions, my thoughts about it so far. So far, it's a sleeper. I mean, for mid-range, it's definitely a sleeper phone. I still gotta go out on the road with it and use my data SIM cards and stuff like that, and yeah, get that going and talk to you guys about call quality, and video conferences and things in that sort, messaging, and it's a lot. Okay, it's a lot in a smartphone, but this is what we want. We want it all in a smartphone, unfortunately. But Sony, you got a winner, man. NFC, you got a winner. USB-C, headphone jack, 6-inch screen, you got a winner right here. All right, thanks for watching this overview, first impressions video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what more do you want to see from the Sony Xperia. All right, it's your boy Two Phones.